Hello everyone, I am Gauri Malvade. Today I am making a video on role of pharmacist in COVID-19 pandemic. As we all know, the current outbreak of COVID-19 is a threat to the whole world. This virus has affected and shown a severe impact on almost all aspects of the society. In this current lockdown situation, doctors are busy treating COVID-19 patients, and hence, at these difficult times, pharmacists are the first point of contact for providing public healthcare services. Before moving on to the role of pharmacist in COVID-19, we must first know why pharmacists are essential healthcare providers in international sectors. According to the data, as per the international guidelines, there should be one doctor to the ratio of 1000 people. But in India, the ratio is one doctor per 1400 people. This gives a rise to an overcrowd and lack of proper medication to many people. And pharmacists act as an accessible healthcare provider which manages such people by providing them right consultation. Further, moving to the role of pharmacist, pharmacy sector and pharmacists have greatly contributed to the severe situation of the COVID-19 and are still enhancing their role by dispensing drugs to the people through medical stores at any time and providing 24/7 open stores with safety and cleanliness guidelines. Pharmacist also provides factual and relevant information about the pandemic for avoiding panic situation and ensuring the prevention about the COVID-19 disease. With this, pharmacists should avoid myths and misinformation that are usually spread through the social media, such as taking paracetamol can cure COVID-19 and also that the sun rays can kill coronavirus, which are totally wrong, which are misleading and can impact wrongly on the public health. Then the next is that the pharmacist should have the prime responsibility to educate public about the infection control and preventive measures to reduce transmission and proper use of face masks and sanitizers. Pharmacists should also ensure the adequate storage of every medicine for avoiding shortage during the emergencies and also follow 20 days medication to the specific person. India should also recognize pharmacists as an immunizer and train them to give vaccines, so when the vaccine arrives, there will be an immediate dosage given to the each and every person, and this will also be a less burden to the government. As in America, when influenza virus collapsed, pharmacists were trained to give vaccines to the public and it was a great help. Also with this, pharmacists are not only dispensing and educating people, but they are also contributing their knowledge in vaccine related research. And with all these roles, pharma company and pharmacists are proving themselves as the best formulators, innovators, medicine counselors, dispensers and educators by not just dispensing medicines at the medical stores but also involving themselves in the research of vaccines at many international levels. As stated by the Shanghai Cooperation Organization, India is playing the pharmacy of the world by supplying medicine to 133 countries for fighting against COVID-19. With this, Indian Pharmaceutical Association has also requested and has sent a letter to our Prime Minister for allowing pharmacists to conduct COVID-19 tests and offer other services. So this COVID-19 crisis has given pharmacists to take an opportunity to improve pharmacists' image and value in the community by serving various healthcare services to the society. I want to end my video here with a small poem composed by me. Pharmacy is a great profession, kind, caring, reputed occupation. Pharmacy is a great profession, kind, caring, reputed occupation. It has helped numerous population with dispensing medicines and innovation. Also helped India to be the best nation. Believe me, COVID-19 is at its depletion due to ongoing research and innovation. You just have to carry mask and do regular sanitization. Pharmacy is a great profession, kind, caring, reputed occupation. Salute to all the COVID warriors, including doctors, nurse, pharmacists and police community for helping us overcome coronavirus crisis. Thank you.